going to talk about the timing of your project. How long was my paint job going to take? And you know, I do most of the estimates, and I can tell you I don't really have any idea. So, and people are going to say, well, you've been doing this forever. How do you not have any idea? Listen, when we give, I've learned a hard lesson. So when you give somebody a hard firm that your job's going to take 3 days, and that job doesn't take 3 days, you're in trouble. You're in trouble. If that job takes 2 days and you said 3 days, they're going to want a credit back from you. They're going to think that you screwed them. You didn't spend that extra day there. You owe them an extra day because they think that they're paying you hourly, even though you gave a price for the job. And you could say, that doesn't happen, but I'm telling you it happens. It happens a lot. It happens all the time. And then if you take longer, forget it. It's the end of the world. They had something planned. They have family coming in. There's a party. Anything you can think of now has happened that they never mentioned to you before. So we give broad ranges on your jobs, and I'm urging you guys to kind of do the same thing when you give times on your jobs. You know, if you think it takes a week when you did an estimate, you know, it might take a week and a half. We're not sure. You know, things change. It's not just trying to be, you know, flippant when you're giving advice out there. It's things change. If you're doing an exterior and you come across some rotted wood, well, now your job just got longer and you didn't have time for that in the job. If you're on the interior of a house and the homeowners aren't getting rooms prepared for you in time and it's slowing you down, or maybe you ran out of paint and you have to go to the store and there's an hour or two, you know, that time comes from somewhere. It increases the time on the job. We don't want that. We want to go as fast as we can and as productive as we can, still giving the same quality. But at the same point, we can't rush the job just to get done in the amount of time that we said, because we're afraid that on that 4th day, when we told you we'd be done in 3, that you're going to freak out. So just a little advice, you know, don't give firm dates on anything. We don't give firm start dates. It's impossible. We don't give firm end dates. It's impossible. So just a little advice for your business as well.